Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A12s and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to the useful features category, and here at the third position we have location tags option with short info from the device that this can add tags to your pictures and videos so you can see where they were taken. By using the button from the right, we can easily turn it off or turn it on as we need. And also here the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work, the location and the internet. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera and take a picture. To see it, let's go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is our photo. To check its location, we have to just simply slide a little bit down, and as you can see here we get access to the map with full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.